You know, when a loved one has been injured in an accident and they're incapacitated and cannot speak for themselves or do anything for themselves, you can step in to try to help them with their injury claim, and you probably should. You know, one of the things that we do for our loved ones when they can't help themselves is we step up and we work to protect them. And that's never more important than when a loved one has been injured in an accident and can't care for themselves. It can be overwhelming when you see a loved one suffering in the hospital, unable maybe to make their own medical decisions, unable to make their own financial decisions. And the first thing you might be thinking about is let's wait for this loved one to recover before we explore any injury claims or other related legal issues. And while that's understandable, what you might be doing in making that decision is failing to take action that needs to be taken to protect your loved one and help that loved one make the best possible claim down the road. Sometimes facts from an accident can be lost when you don't act quickly. Sometimes details can be lost. And sometimes it's important to act fast so that that information is preserved forever. So, when your loved one is involved in an accident, give us a call. We are happy to set up a consultation. In fact, most of our consultations are with people, the injured person, but also their loved one, because it's often important for people who are injured in accidents to have their loved ones by their side as they're going through the personal injury journey. So if you've got a loved one in your life who you love and want to protect, the most important thing you can do for them after an accident occurs is, first of all, make sure they're getting the medical care they need. But second of all, contact a personal injury lawyer here at Dillon Gruby so we can get to work on protecting them and advancing their claim as fast as possible.